In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to increase your snapshot score. Your snapshot score represents your overall activity and engagement on the platform. And here's how your snap score can go up. 1. Send and receive snaps. The most direct way to increase your snap score is by sending and receiving snaps with your friends. Each snap you send or receive contributes to your score. 2. Use different types of snaps. Send in a variety of snaps, including pictures, videos, and chat messages, can also boost your score. Diversifying the content you share demonstrates active engagement of the platform. 3. Consistent use. Using Snapshot regularly over time can gradually increase your score. Just regular activity on the app shows your ongoing interest and participation. 4. Increase followers. Having more followers on Snapchat provides more opportunities to send and receive snaps, thus increasing your score. Engage with your existing followers and actively seek out new ones to grow your audience. 5. Maintain snap streaks. Snap streaks occur when you and another user exchange snaps for consecutive days. Keep up with snap streaks can significantly boost your score, as each day contributes to the streaks and increases your engagement level. By following these methods and staying active on Snapchat, you can steadily increase your snap score and enhance your presence on the platform. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.